Now, let's discuss the computation of partition values in discrete series. In such series, there are frequencies given corresponding to definite values of the variables. So let's understand how quartiles, deciles, and percentiles are computed. Hello everyone, welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. In the previous video, you learnt about computing partition values in individual series. Now we shall move on to discrete series. So let us begin. Let us understand the computation of partition values in discrete series through an illustration. This illustration provides information on wages and number of workers. One needs to find the first quartile, third quartile, fourth decile, and 60th percentile. Now let us find the solution to various partition values. First thing is to find cumulative frequency, which is found as, I'm sure you know that, first value is 5, next value would be 5 plus 8, you get 13, and after that it is 13 plus 4, you get 17, and so on. Once the cumulative frequencies are found, then you begin with partition values. So the first one is the first quartile, where the formula is n plus 1 by 4, and we have found n to be 30. So it will be 30 plus 1, that is 31 by 4th item. And by doing so, we get 7.25th item, which lies in the cumulative frequency of 13, and hence corresponding to it is the value 25. So 25 is the first quartile. Coming to the third quartile, it is 3 into n plus 1 by 4, and by calculating we get 21.75th item, which lies in cumulative frequency 23. Correspondingly the value is 35. So third quartile is 35. Next is decile. Decile is 4 into n plus 1 by 10, as it is fourth decile, and by calculation we get 12.4th item, which lies in cumulative frequency of 13, and hence 25 is the corresponding value, which becomes the fourth decile. And finally it is percentile. 60th percentile is 60 into n plus 1 by 100, and by calculating we get 18.6th item, which lies in 23. Correspondingly the value is 35. So 60th percentile is 35. I hope it is clear. Now let's have a look at the second example. Here the information is about marks and number of students, and we are required to find first quartile, third quartile, fourth decile, and 80th percentile. Now let us find the solution. The first thing that we need to do is to find cumulative frequency. And I hope all of you know how to find it. First value is 2. Second is 5, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. Next is 5 plus 9 is 14, and so on. Once the cumulative frequency is found, then we shall find all the partition values. Have a look here. First quartile, it is n plus 1 by 4. N is 51. So 51 plus 1 by 4, which is 13th item, it lies in 14. Hence, first quartile is 4, because 4 is the corresponding variable to this cumulative frequency. Next is third quartile. It is 3 into n plus 1 by 4. That is 3 into 52 divided by 4. And we get 39. 39 value lies in cumulative frequency of 46, whose variable is 6. So, third quartile is 6. Fourth decile is 4 into n plus 1 by 10. That is 4 into 52 by 10. We get 208. That is 20.8th item, which lies in 35, and correspondingly the variable is 5. So, fourth decile is 5. Similarly, for the 80th percentile, the formula is 80 into n plus 1 by 100, and you get 41.6th item, which lies in 46, and whose variable is 6. So, 80th percentile is 6. I hope it is clear. For computing partition values in discrete series, frequencies corresponding to definite values are already given. You need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order if it is not arranged. Find cumulative frequency and then apply the formula to find the positional average. And formula I hope everyone is clear about. For quartiles, it is n plus 1 by 4. For deciles, it is n plus 1 by 10. For percentiles, it is n plus 1 by 100. I hope this concept is very clear to all of you. Next time, we shall discuss computing partition values in continuous series. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.